In this video, we'll look at how to order a composite in hhschools. Composites are classified as a service item, so we need to create a service item order. From the drop-down, go ahead and select Service Item Order. In the section underneath Service Items, select the tab that says Composites. Now we need to pick the type of composite we want to order. The two most common types of composites that are ordered are multi-class and single composite. Multi-class is when you're ordering a composite for each classroom, and single composite would be if you're just ordering one composite from all the images in the project. We're going to go ahead and order a single composite with names. On this dialog, you'll need to fill out each one of these options before you can proceed. So at the top is the composite size. That's the actual size of the print. Background choices are color, or if you want to select an image. Mascot or logo, if you have a school logo you want to include, you can do that. Studio logo, if you want your logo on the composite. The layout orientation, is it horizontal or vertical for this print? Font choices are for student name, the title block, the position name for the actual teachers and staff members. Next to that are your frame options. Do you want to include a stroke around the images themselves or none? Title position is where do you want that title block to appear? Composite title, what information do you want to appear in that title block? Other information is the teacher name. Do you want that included? Do you want the principal's name so you can put that name in? Then to the right there, you need to choose what crop you want to use from the project. Then how you want the first and last name to appear on one line or two lines. Image shape, do you want rectangular images or oval images? Composite options are things like, do you want the faculty on the first line? That position title, do you want that to be in all caps? Sort, very important. Be sure to include the sort. How do you want the images to be sorted on the composite? Then down below there is a proofing preference. Do you want it sent by email and include your email? And then at the very, very bottom is a place for you to put in some special instructions. After you've filled all that in, just go ahead and click Save and complete your order.